Hi everyone, good afternoon. After a long time again going to continue my classes from my coaching center, and today I am going to start writing skills, and one of the most important topic of writing skill, that is report writing. Today I am going to discuss about its concept, about its characteristics, and after completing it I will discuss about its kinds. First of all, report writing. What is report writing? Report writing is one of the most significant part of writing skills through which we can provide information to the readers. A report should be, this is the basic definition of report, which contains all the characteristics of a good report or a model report. That is, a report should be clear, concise. Report should be clear, concise, accurate, well organized, with clear section heading. In this definition, if we analyze this definition, we get the basic characteristics of a good report. What should be clear? It should be clear, or it should be practical. Next one, concise. We can give, or through which we have to give more information by using a few words. This is called concise. Accurate, it should be accurate. We cannot use some probable sentence or some other sentence which is not practical in a good report. Well organized, it should be well organized, and in case of well organized, I can say, or I have to say that there have some sequences. First of all, suppose date, time and place. Okay, and report may be accident related report, but are written in these particular tables, related to accidents and related to day celebration and related to natural calamities. I will discuss about it in details in my later classes. And next one, other some most important characteristics of a good report are those. Before going to prepare any kind of report, we must follow this particular characteristics. And we never write a report in first or second person. We always have to write in third person. A report should be always written in third person. First one. And second one, we have to make a report in indirect form of narration. We never write or prepare any report in direct form of narration. We have to always write in indirect form of speech or indirect form of narration. And next one, a report should be prepared always in passive form of voice. Passive form of voice means we never use active form of voice in a good report. There are the basic characteristics of a good or moral report. And report can be classified generally, which are given in our exam. Actually, today I am going to discuss, or I am discussing this particular topics from only exam point of view. Okay, and in our general examination from class 8 to 12, we getting reports generally related to accident. Suppose sometime given in about road accidents, sometime given in train accidents. And next one, related to day celebration. Suppose Teacher Day celebrations, Gandhi Jayanti celebrations, or Women Day celebration. In this way, questions are given in our examination or exam paper. And third one, related to natural calamities. Natural calamities related to flood or related to earthquake. Okay, and in this way, reports are given in our question paper or exam paper. And about each and every kinds of report, I will take some examples and I will discuss one after another in details in my later classes. And again, I am going to give an overview about the concept about which I am discussing now. First of all, I give you the definition of a report. What we are getting here, a report should be clear, concise, accurate, and well organized with clear section heading. Means in a report we must have a heading. Okay, and that particular heading is totally depend upon the question. The report is given in which fact, means given in accident related, or given in about day celebrated related, or day celebration related, or any natural calamity. And heading is totally based on that particular fact. And next, we getting the basic characteristics here: concise, accurate, Okay, everything I try to make you understand properly. And another most important report which we have to follow before going to prepare any kind of report. There, a report should be always written in indirect form obviously. A report should be always in passive form of voice. A report should be always written in third person. Okay, these are the concepts of today's video, and what left today I will discuss in my next class. Thank you.